How much should you actually spend on a portable washing machine? Because you might find people happy with the cheap ones, but others are throwing back the expensive options. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Costway Twin Tub Washer. The Costway Portable Washing Machine. This twin tub beauty caught my eye with its impressive 26-pound capacity, priced at just $149.99. If you want a compact washer that can handle laundry efficiently, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual tubs let you wash 18 pounds of clothes while spinning 8 pounds simultaneously. No more waiting around for one load to finish before starting the next. Plus, the powerful motor means you get quick, effective washes without the noise disturbing your neighbors. With over 200 units sold in the past month, it's clear people are loving it. Now, some people complained that it doesn't fully dry clothes, only about 90%. Here's the thing though, if you hang your clothes in the sun afterward, it's really not a deal breaker, especially for a machine at this price point. This is perfect for you if you live in a small apartment or dorm and need something efficient. Skip this one if you require a fully drying option, but for the price, it's a solid deal. All right, that was a solid option. But if the drying issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Portable Laundry Machine Green. We have a more budget-friendly choice, the portable washing machine for just $55.99. This little wonder is compact and designed for light laundry duties. If you want something super affordable that gets the job done, this is worth checking out. What caught my attention is its 20-liter capacity. It's perfect for washing a few essentials when you're traveling or in a tight living space. It's only 4.6 pounds, so you can easily take it anywhere. The 3 modes of deep cleaning allow for customizing your wash, which is great for different fabric types. With over 200 purchases this month, people definitely see the value. However, some users mention that it might not handle large loads well. Honestly, if you're looking to wash more than a few items, you might find it frustrating. But if you need something for quick, small loads, it's a great compact solution. This is perfect for you if you're a traveler or need something for small laundry tasks. Skip this one if you have bigger laundry needs, but for the price, it's a steal. Now, if the capacity of the last product bothered you, this next one offers a solid upgrade.
Product number 3, Nixod Mini Washer. We have the Nixod Portable Washing Machine, priced at $59.99. This mini washer is a little powerhouse. If you need something that's space-saving yet effective, this is worth a serious look. It comes with a 20-liter capacity, making it suitable for washing small loads like underwear or baby clothes. It features a folding design, which is super convenient for storage. Fits right between shelves or under your bed. The 3 different timer settings provide flexibility to tackle various soil levels. This design has gotten a lot of attention lately, with thousands of units sold. But I'll be real with you, some customers felt it didn't handle stains well on heavier fabrics. Now, here's the thing. For delicate or small items, it's perfect. But if you're washing something heavily soiled, it might not meet your expectations. This is perfect for you if you need a quick solution for small, delicate items. Skip this one if you often deal with larger or dirtier loads. Even so, it's a solid value for anyone needing quick laundry fixes. All right, that was a neat option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those bigger laundry needs. Product number 4, Costway Twin Tub Gray. We have another Costway model, this time in gray, also priced at $149.99. This one offers a similar twin tub setup. If you want reliable performance without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. It still features the dual tub system, allowing you to wash 18 pounds and spin 8 pounds simultaneously. The 280W washing power ensures that your clothes come out clean without too much hassle. Plus, with a larger capacity compared to smaller models, this is perfect for a week's worth of laundry. And like its blue counterpart, this model has been gaining traction with over 100 units sold recently. However, I did see some complaints about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, it's still manageable, and once you have it set up, it offers great functionality. For those who don't mind putting in a little effort, it's a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-fuss machine for regular laundry. Skip this one if you're not handy and need something ready to go out of the box. For the value, you really can't go wrong. Now, if the assembly issue made you hesitate, the next one might just change your mind.
Product number 5, Giantex Portable Washer.
The Giantex portable washing machine, priced at $153.53. This one's designed for those who want a lightweight yet capable washer. If you're looking for a compact machine that doesn't compromise on power, this is worth a look. With a capacity of 20 pounds, it's great for those who need to wash more clothes at once. The twin tub design allows you to do both washing and spinning efficiently. Rated at 300-watt washing power, it ensures that your clothes get a thorough clean. This model has also seen strong sales, indicating that people trust it to get the job done. However, some users found it a bit noisy compared to others. Honestly, if you're washing during the day or in a bustling environment, it might not be an issue. But if you're sensitive to noise, you might want to consider that. This is perfect for you if you have a decent amount of laundry to handle and want something efficient. Skip this one if you need a whisper quiet machine. But for the power and capacity, it's a solid investment.
We've seen some solid options: the Costway Twin Tub, the budget-friendly portable washing machine, the Nixod Mini Washer, another Costway model, and the Giantex portable washer. Each one has its merits and a few quirks. Whether you need something compact for travel or a reliable washer for your home, there's definitely a choice for you.